Hey everyone, so in this video I want to throw some light on what is niche and why is it important. So let's talk about what is niche. Now niche is basically an industry that you decide to go in, or the kind of clients you want to work with. Why is it important? Because when you enter into the market is not actually looking for any general person. Market is actually looking for a person who is expert in that particular industry. So for example, if I go to a doctor, if I ask him that, hey, I want to grow your business digitally, the very next question that doctor will ask is, what have you done in the past, and what kind of results do you have which can help me as well in my industry. So a doctor will more likely work with a person who has already worked with another doctor, or in the same industry. So now you'll think that, okay, how can I decide my niche? So what I generally advise to the people is that in their initial journey they should not look for any of the niches, because it's obviously next to impossible to decide which kind of clients I want to work with. So to start with, you can just go with any category, any industry, any expert, and eventually when you build a strong portfolio, a good portfolio, you will eventually try to find out which kind of clients I am comfortable in working with, which kind of clients are getting success from whatever I'm doing, and what are the things I need to repeat, or I want to become expert in. So eventually you are going to find your niche, but to start with, you can go with any industry, and that is my personal opinion. So hope you liked it. Thank you so much.